Now, if you haven't watched my video from yesterday, go ahead and watch it on Xpeng. I talked about this exact scenario that happened today, and I talked about how this was going to happen. If you don't believe me, go ahead and click that video and you will see. Now, yesterday we were right here. I was talking about that if we were bullish, we were going to break through this support and we would need to hold this support. And we broke through the support. Many times I talked to y'all about that. If we held this support, we were bullish. Look how many times we held the support and we finally got that breakout up. This is what we needed on Xpeng, guys. If you're bullish on Xpeng and you've been holding it for a little while, you know the struggle, right? You've just been watching it slowly bleed down. And guys, today we got that breakout up. This is what we needed on Xpeng. But even though we got that breakout up, we need to hold this support. This support is a support for a reason. Typically, we bounce up from this. So if you're bullish on Xpeng, you really need to see this hold. Now let's make out a plan. Let's talk about what you should do next. Now, we did hit highs of 51.15 today, and we've just been selling off since then. So today we've had a push up, and we've just sold off since then. But my plan still hasn't changed. If you're buying that support, or if you bought up here, still have your stop loss underneath the support. It doesn't make sense to go ahead and tag out when it hasn't broken support. I know a lot of my viewers, y'all are holding shares from all the way up at $53, some at $60. That's completely fine. We're on the road to recovery right now. This is what you want to see on Xpeng if you've been holding shares and you got in at a price up here. We're starting to recover. Notice how that we had this downtrend, we're basing out, and now we're continuing the uptrend. This is what a reversal looks like, guys. So you had the initial push up, you had the downtrend, you based out, and now the reversal is happening. But in order for this to be in a reversal, you got to note that it needs to hold the support. If we break through support, guys, then we're just making these lower high situations, and then the downtrend continues. So if you're bullish on Xpeng, guys, we really need to see this level hold. If we break below this level, then we're going down. Now, this level is at 48.24. So we're at 48.44. So we're holding this level just fine. If you're watching this video, just look at Xpeng, see where we're at, and are we still holding this level. Now, my price target will probably be very different from yours. So if you're holding shares dependent on your average, then your price target is going to be a lot different than mine. This is just a little placeholder for that. Our next level to look at is this resistance line. So if you're getting in now, put your stop below support, and maybe your take profit at this resistance line. So this resistance line is at 56.79. We need to keep that level in mind, because if we do continue this uptrend, we need to see how this reacts around this level. So let's say we continue this uptrend, we need to see how we react down around this resistance. Do we consolidate a little bit more, or do we get instantly rejected? Now, if you're bullish on Xpeng, when we get to this resistance level, we need to blast right through it. There needs to be some consolidation, then we need to blast right through it. So this is how I picture, or I want Xpeng to go. But we still need to have our stop losses implemented. No matter where we think it's going or how we want it to go, our stop loss will save us. I preach this in every video, guys. You need to implement a stop loss in every part of your trading. Okay? Without a stop loss, that will just ruin your account and you'll lose more than you have to. Then you'll become a back holder. But also keep in mind, if you're in this for the next couple months, 4 to 5 months, because you like this company as a whole, don't even worry about stop loss. You're in this for the longer term. So these dips don't really matter. In fact, if you can, I'd recommend buying more on these dips. If you're holding this for 6 months to a year, longer term, because you believe in Xpeng, which I do too, just hold it and let's see where it goes. Don't even worry about having that stop loss. But overall, guys, we're still looking strong on Xpeng. We're holding the support, and at the end of the day, see how we're doing, see where we're going. Are we still holding it? And if we are, then that's another bullish sign, guys. So keep that in mind when you're trading today and going into tomorrow's session. Have we held support? If we do, then I'm confident that tomorrow is going to be another good day for Xpeng. So anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing day today and tomorrow, and I will see you all in the next video.